Welcome or welcome back. My name is Kim, and I just wanted to let you all know that my channel is going to have a name change. So what was Kim's Creations is now going to be Kim's Art Alchemy. Why the name change? Well, because there are at least 3 other channels with the name Kim's Creations spelled exactly the same way mine does, which makes it confusing for people to find me as well as relocate me once they have. So Kim's Art Alchemy doesn't have any other YouTube names, and I kind of liked the whole alchemy part of it because that's exactly what I do with this channel. I take substances or objects and I transform them into something else. And when you create art, it's also self-transformative and hopefully giving ideas to others to transform their art. Hence the name Kim's Art Alchemy. So I hope you stick with this, and I just wanted to explain that. So again, Kim's Creations is gonna be Kim's Art Alchemy. Bye for now. Welcome back to Kim's Creations. We have today a whole bunch of fun planned. Marie-Louise and I have a wonderful guest joining us this week. Her name is Lori Weisner. Hi, Lori. And she is joining us. She's with ArtLor. She's joining us for a swipe collaboration. And it's a swipe with some pleats, maybe, if you can fit them in somewhere. So that's what I'm gonna try and do. I have all my tools here. I'm not gonna use all of these. I just want the visual to see what I want to use. And I think I'll use one of these two, not both. I might use the smaller one. Yep, so we'll eliminate one. And then these will be for extra bits. So this, interestingly enough, is an oval canvas panel that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's a 12 by 16 inch job. And so for my pillow paint, I'm still using my PPG. My colors today, got a lot of colors. So, oh yeah, that was the other part of this. We had to have turquoise as the star of the show. So this here is Artist Loft Turquoise. And then I have Pearl Sea Green mixed with Pearl Cactus Green from Arteza. And then I have TLP Sea Glass mixed with a really hefty dose of Whitehaven to get this very kind of light and super sparkly, silvery looking green goodness. And my second turquoise is, what is this one? Oh, Arteza's Arteza Turquoise. I was looking for a more complicated name, but nope, Arteza Turquoise. That's that one. And we're gonna get into the purples. This is TLP Violet Rain. It finally hit me why I like this color. It reminds me of a fancy skirt that I had that was this color that shifted purple black, like this one does. And I wore it to, I think it was a Christmas ceilidh up in Scotland when my brother was studying at uni up there. This one here is Liquitex Basics Deep Violet, and I've got 2 CAs. My white is a mix of Atelier and Amsterdam Titanium White, and then this is Amsterdam Greenish Blue. So that's everything. All those colors and everything will be listed in the description below as usual. Now it's time to load up my palette knife. If turquoise is gonna be the star of the show, I want the turquoise to be, normally it would be the first color down. So because I'm doing this in reverse order, I've got to make it the last color down. Glad we talked this through. You and I, we talked it through. Okay. And then of course we got the cell activators. Oh my gosh. Okay, so cell activators need to go on first. So I have to work on reverse order here. All right. So I'm going to put on my CA, my cell activator. This is the Shelee Art Cell Activator. Please take her course if you haven't. You'll get so many great tips and learn how to do this. It does take quite a while to get it down, but once you do, you're pretty good.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 난 지켜내려 해 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful.
So I kind of want to do a swipe that's like that. So it's still going in a horizontal direction, but I want it to be off center with a little swoosh, a swoosh. That's what it is, a swoosh in here. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Touchdown. Swipe, 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 swoosh, swipe, 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 swoosh, and lift. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Look at those cells. Yay. I am liking that a lot. Here, looks like we've got a little more CA over in this area that I could try and get through, so I'm just going to blow on it. What that does is it thins, it pushes out the paint underneath and allows that cell activator to go down and then bring those colors underneath up. Well, it doesn't bring it up, it allows the colors to come up from underneath. All right, this is the little one I'm gonna use. Let me get my palette knife holder again. Just at the edge. I'm going to scoop and kind of going to do like a little pleat action here. Gonna leave you with my elephant. I love the colors. Okay, go team. So here is the finished piece, and it is very shiny. It's beautiful, but check it out. It warped. I have a great boogie board here, but not only did it warp, check this out. It pulled away from the sides. The canvas actually pulled away from the board underneath. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna peel it off. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it afterwards, but it does make a pretty cool skin. So I am not disappointed in the end. I'm just, wow, how weird is that? So perhaps, don't use these boards if you've got a lot of liquid going on top of it. So yeah, I don't know that I would recommend these things, but I did get a cool painting out of it. So I do want to just thank Lori from ArtLor for coming on and providing us with this swipe challenge this week with the lovely turquoise as our main feature. Thank you so much for being here with me, and thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up notification bell. The next time I upload a video, you will be notified. Bye for now.